etiquettes, do's and don'ts. One. While emailing, press the Reply All button carefully. Each time, there is no need to respond to a person entered in a carbon copy of an email. Some senior people may have problems with that. So, while pressing the button Reply All, keep in mind who we are responding to. 2. It is mandatory to use business language in an email. But do not write very elaborate language or big sentences in it. Also, do not use too many symbols in the email. There is a trend of using too many symbols on social media, but it does not apply in email etiquette. 3. Popular media such as WhatsApp, Messenger and Instagram have the highest level of communication and use very few words in their dialogue. Their great is written as GR8 and yours is written as URS and happy birthday is written as HBD. Dialogues are written in such a way. But while writing the message in the email, write the whole word. Instead of the short forms that are used on Messenger app, not using them, you can use short forms which can be used in emails like PFA meaning please find attached, PFB meaning please find below, or FYI meaning for your information and EOD meaning end of day, etc. All these short forms are acceptable and can be used in the email. 4. One more trend is popular on the Messenger app, that is the use of emojis. But do not use this method in email. When you use emojis, the emails are not accepted in professional setups. Don't attach GIF files like Emoji2. 5. Before sending the email, the most important thing is to check that there are no grammatical or spelling mistakes. Please ensure this. For this, F7, this key can be used. It is very important to find grammatical or spelling mistakes. Sometimes a word or letter is accidentally ignored. Investigate that. These grammatical and spelling mistakes can lead to doubts on personal efficiency. 6. While emailing, also check the font size, its color. Use only those professional fonts that are widely used, such as Times New Roman, Arial or Vardhana. Use these professional fonts only. Do not use italic fonts in professional emails. Keep the font size so that it can be read comfortably. Do not keep it too small or too big. Do not write some words small and some words big. Do not write the entire email in capital letters. Writing in capital letters or making your words bold means that you are shouting at somebody. Do not use different colors in emails. Black and blue are considered professional colors. Do not write emails in any color other than these two. 7. You can highlight any important issue in the email. Do not use bright colors to highlight. Yellow or sky blue is a common color. For this, you can also try the option of underlining your sentences or words. 8. Avoid writing large paragraphs in emails. You can use bullet points or numbers instead. 9. When writing an email, it is very important to keep in mind is that one should not ridicule anyone in it. Because how the reader takes that matter, we cannot say it. This may result in some misunderstandings. Also, do not write jokes or make fun. 10. Reply to every email in at least 24 hours. If you are going to take time to reply, then please tell the sender. Adhering to email etiquettes while sending emails helps in maintaining good personal, professional, and organizational image.